Hey, how's it going? I'm Will here from the Beardy Explorer, and today me and my little daughter decided to play with fire, and we decided to make a mini rocket stove for you. So let's get into it and see what the process is of making this little mini rocket stove and if it actually worked. You good? So that was our little mini rocket stove, and I think it was quite a success. I think it worked pretty well. It didn't quite get the water boiling, which was a bit depressing really, but it, you know, we'd been sat there for 45 minutes I think it was, but the water was hot enough for a decent cup of coffee. And you had a, what did you have? Nice hot chocolate you had as well. So yeah, it does work. Took a bit to get going really. I ended up using a little fire starter in the end, just a tiny sort of quarter section of a little brick of it to actually get it going. But yeah, I think it was quite a success. Quite enjoyed doing it. I think Eva, you enjoyed it, didn't you?
Especially that I got a hot chocolate.
Absolutely. So yeah, if you like that content, do drop us a like, hit the bell button and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again very soon.